Hey everybody, it's Will the Wig Maker. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you're new here and don't know who I am, my name's Will. I'm based in the UK and I'm a lace wig designer and maker. And today I'm going to be talking about some hairline tips because some of you have been asking how to knot them. Just before I proceed, I just want to say thank you again to all the new people that are subscribing here. You know, you're welcome to subscribe anytime you like. And I've also noticed that over 90% of my views are coming from people who aren't subscribed, which is a little unfortunate. So, you know, if you want to support an up-and-coming artist, hit the subscribe button. That would be really cool. Okay, like I said, I'm going to be talking today about hairlines, and I thought rather than just talk about them, I would show you my hairline just as a sort of guide, really. When it comes to knotting hairlines, you really need to understand that hair on the, well, anywhere on the head, it doesn't grow in just one direction. There's several directions. And when you're knotting the hair on the very front of your wigs, you need to really decide what look you're going for. So if you want something that's perhaps going back the way with a few adjustments, you would place your lace with the holes going vertically. Or you could do like I prefer to do, and it gives a much more natural finish when you're laying the lace on your full lace foundations. At the very front, if you lay the lace horizontally, it gives you a much nicer finish. So you'll see in this clip that I'm going to pop in here my hairline. Now forgive my skin, it's not the best, but you know, we're not looking at my skin, we're looking at hairline. So anyway, as you'll see from my hairline, not all the hairs grow in one direction, and when you notice on your lace, the lace has 6 different directions which you can knot in. So you can up that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, and that way. I think that was 6. If it wasn't, then oops. So you need to decide what kind of look you're going for, and that really comes in the designing stage. So as you'll see in my hairline, there's some hairs that go back the way, some go this way, some go that way, some are barely legal. And yet on this area, you'll see in the clip that some go this way, some go that way, some go that way. So you really need to take really good attention as to which particular bar in the lace that you're knotting from. If you're not really sure which direction to choose, have a look at your own hairline and you could use that as reference. Or you could do what I do and you could just look at anyone's hairline. It could be someone that's maybe sitting near you on the bus, which won't be happening a lot just now, I suppose. But if you have someone that you live with, look at their hairlines, see which directions they go in. And when the world presses play again, look at, you know, people's hair directions when you're out and about. I do it all the time. It's so you can really perfect the art of creating natural hairlines, because no one wants like one of those lace fronts where it's just a round shape. You want to create a nice natural shape, because no one's hair grows in a circular direction around their hairline, does it? No. And then you'll notice with different genders, they'll have completely different hair directions and hairlines, of course. So yeah, study all genders and see all the differences. Or another thing you could do is have a look at my Instagram. I have lots of pictures of hairlines and things. Or you could have a look at some of the people that I follow, some of the hairlines that they create. Some of them have really, really incredible work. In fact, probably all of the people that I follow have really, really pristine, detailed work on their hairlines. So yes, I hope that those tips have helped you somehow, and like I said, you're free to subscribe anytime you like. It would be amazing to have some new people here. And yeah, I shall leave this video for now. So if there's any, you know, other suggestions that you have for future videos, do feel free to leave them in the comments, or go ahead and follow me on Instagram and send me a DM there if you don't feel like, you know, popping a public comment. Yep, all suggestions welcome to all platforms. So I'm on, obviously, YouTube, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, and I'm on Facebook, and I'll leave all the links in the description below. So I will be back again very soon with another video. Take care. Bye.